And we've got news that's coming in. Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Sunil Kedar met with a group of milk producers today amid the protest against the plunging milk prices in the state. Now, assuring the milk producers, the minister said that all the suggestions have been taken into account and that a plan will be set up in the cabinet meeting. He also criticized the centre's decision to import milk powder, saying that we have enough stock in our country and that there is no need for import. Those are the details coming in. Listen.
16 जुलाई को मैंने अपने डिपार्टमेंट को वैसा प्रकार का आदेश लगाया कि मेरे को किसान के जो प्रतिनिधि है, जो दूध के मामले में छोटी छोटी संगठना है, उनको बुलाया जाए, उनसे मालूम बात किया जाए, उनसे समझ लिया जाए, क्योंकि ये कोरोना के तहत दूध का रेट्स के बारे में बहुत बड़ी तकलीफ वाली मामला हो गया था, क्योंकि मार्केटिंग रुक गया था। हमने अप्रैल महीने में एक गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से स्कीम लाई, जो स्कीम के तहत हमने सरप्लस दूध जमा किया और उसका हमने पाउडर बनाया। ये करने के पीछे मंशा इतनी थी कि मार्केट में डिमांड एंड सप्लाई का बैलेंस बना रहे। मार्केट में डिमांड एंड सप्लाई का बैलेंस बनने के कारण रेट वहाँ पे स्टेबल रहे, इस पर की हमें धारणा थी। पर एक कोरोना के तहत और उसको ज़्यादा कुछ करना ज़रूरी है, ऐसा मानने वाले में से मैं हूँ। इसलिए मैंने खुद होके ये मीटिंग बुलाई आज की। ये मीटिंग कोई आंदोलन होने वाला इसलिए मीटिंग नहीं बुलाई थी। ये मीटिंग मैंने बुलाई थी, उनसे जानकारी लेना था मेरे, क्योंकि मैंने अब यदि योजना और अच्छी बनानी है और यदि लोगों को राहत देना है, ये कोरोना कितने दिन चलेगा मालूम नहीं, पर फुल फ्लेज योजना बनाना है, तो इसके और मैंने क्या इनपुट्स मेरे पास होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने मीटिंग बुलाई।
All right, so just to rewind a little bit and get you the background of what this entire issue is. Now, prices of milk in Maharashtra have plunged to as low as 13 rupees a litre. Now, that triggered protests by dairy farmers across the state. Farmer organizations began their agitation by throwing away excess milk on the streets at multiple locations. Dairy farmers have demanded remunerative prices, demanding for a subsidy of 10 rupees a litre and incentive of 50 rupees per kg for export of milk powder. Now, the dairy industry is irked by the centre's decision to import 10,000 tons of milk powder, especially when the country has such a huge stock of milk powder already. Let me go across to Mayuresh, who's joining us on the phone line. Mayuresh, obviously this is an issue that has agitated a lot of the dairy farmers. But what's the latest that you're picking up? What kind of a solution is likely?
See, Avni, there was no solution in this meeting because the meeting was itself inconclusive. As Minister said that he had called all the stakeholders to hear their side. What exactly is the problem and what possible solution we can get from this problem. So, in the meeting of the stakeholders, including the farmer association, including the dairy association, they all had come. They have given their suggestions. And now Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Sunil Kedar will discuss this matter in the cabinet in front of all the minister and Maharashtra CM, and then they will take a call. But yes, he had asked his secretary of the concerned department to prepare a plan, a long-term plan for the dairy farmers, because since long time dairy farmers are agitating. Even if you remember 2 years back, the similar kind of agitation they held in across Maharashtra, where they were throwing the milk as well as the vegetables on the road every day and not even taking them to the market. So there should not be any repeat telecast of the same incident. That's why Maharashtra Cabinet Minister has heard everyone, all the stakeholders in this matter, and they will take the decision. But on the second hand, the farmer associations as well as the farmers have said that the meeting was inconclusive. They were hoping that some solution will come from this particular meeting, but it didn't come, and that's why even they are a bit angry.
All right, Mayuresh, thanks so much for joining us with all of those details. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of a solution will emerge and, more importantly, when that will actually happen. Thanks for joining us with those details.